Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're tired of typing your password every single time for you to log in a website, today I'm going to show you how to save your password securely using Google Chrome. This way you can log in faster and keep your account safe. So let's dive in. As you can see in this example, this website I was typing the password every single time and it's tired, especially if you are using the website in a daily basis. So I'll show you the solution in this video. All you need to do is click on those three dots at the top right of your Google Chrome browser, and now navigate to password autofill. As you can see, password and autofill, and then go to Google Password Manager. And now here is the Google Password Manager tab, and here you can find already all the website and the password that are stored in your password manager, as you can see. And in order to save a new one, just click on this add button, and now you need to fill the website URL. So you can just copy the URL of your website, as you can see, copy paste like this, and here the username and the password. So basically the username will be my Gmail in this case, and then type the password. So now you can also type a quick note that will remind you of your password if you want, or something that will remind you of this website. And the last thing is just click on save. Now, as you can see, my website is saved successfully on this Google Password Manager. So you can see that the password now is saved successfully. And now all you need to do is close the tab, go to your website, to the website again, type in the website and log in. And as you can see, the email and the password now is established correctly, and you can just log in directly by using the login button. So that's it. Now you can log in securely into any website without needs to remember the password. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave me a like and a comment. Thank you for watching.